Creating an exceptional customer experience is crucial to your business, whether you're looking at it from a conversion or retention standpoint. So, how do you do this? Well, first by investing in your customer support. Having a seamless support chat where your customers can easily connect with you on orders, products, or general questions can remove any barrier to purchase. And that's where Gorgias comes in. Gorgias is an in-app help desk that allows you to retain more customers and boost revenue. And now with custom code blocks, you can bring Gorgias straight to your mobile app. In this lesson, we'll cover a few things: the benefits of using Gorgias in your mobile app, how to embed the Gorgias code block in your Tapcart Dashboard, and how customers will interact with Gorgias in your app. We have a lot to cover in this lesson, so let's dive in. First, a quick recap on Gorgias. Gorgias is an in-app help desk that allows you to offer your customers the support they need in a quick and personalized way. By using Gorgias with Tapcart custom code blocks, you'll be able to chat with your customers directly from your app, making your mobile app a one-stop destination when interacting with your brand. And getting this set up with Tapcart is fairly simple. But before diving in, there's something to note. Code blocks are available to all Tapcart Enterprise customers who also have a Gorgias plan. So for more information on Gorgias and getting started, you can head over to their site and book a demo with their team to learn even more. Now that we have that out of the way, let's dive into how you can embed the Gorgias code block into your Tapcart dashboard. To get started, we'll first navigate to your Gorgias dashboard to grab the Gorgias application ID and a Gorgias install script to initialize the experience. For steps on how to complete this, check out our how-to guide linked in the video notes below. Once you have all those steps completed, you'll navigate to the GitHub page to access the Gorgias code block template. From here, you'll open the Tapcart dashboard in a separate window and choose to create a new custom block. Then give it a name by clicking on Name Your Block. A common one we see here is Chat. Then we'll copy the HTML, CSS, and JS templates from GitHub and paste them into their corresponding fields within the editor. Now that your templates are added, you'll need to edit the following line of code for your block to work as expected. Under your JS template, navigate to line 27 and include your Gorgias application ID here. Your application ID should look like this. If the block does not render after this step, check to ensure that the Gorgias chat feature is not set to hide chat. And there you go. You have now created the Gorgias code block. Now you can drag and drop this block into your mobile app. Once your Gorgias block is implemented in your app, the customer will be able to use the chat just as they would on the website. As the chat grows, the content becomes scrollable. So we recommend having this block placed on a dedicated chat page within your app. And there we go. You now know how to utilize Gorgias to bring a seamless customer experience to your mobile app.